Welcome to this meditation for joy and happiness. I created this to help you reconnect with the inner joy that already exists within you. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to relax. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and gently let it go. Let's begin this journey to cultivate more happiness in your life. As you settle in, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Allow each breath to become slower and more intentional. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with air, and breathe out, releasing any tension. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath. Each breath is an opportunity to ground yourself and be present in this moment. There's nothing you need to do right now but breathe. Feel the calm that comes with each inhale and exhale. Now, let's set an intention to welcome more joy into your life. Silently repeat this affirmation. I welcome joy into my heart. Feel these words resonate within you. As you continue breathing deeply, imagine each breath bringing in more joy, lightness, and happiness. Let your heart open up to these positive feelings. Notice how your body responds to this new intention. Perhaps a lightness in your chest or a gentle smile on your face. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this sense of gratitude and joy. I invite you now to picture a moment in your life where you felt pure happiness. It could be a memory, a person, or simply a feeling. Visualize it vividly. See the colors, feel the warmth, hear the sounds. Let this feeling of happiness wash over you, filling every part of your being. Notice how it feels in your body. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return to this feeling of happiness. This is your moment of joy, and it's always available to you. Now, let's affirm your happiness with some positive affirmations. Silently repeat after me. I am worthy of happiness. Happiness flows to me effortlessly. I radiate joy wherever I go. I am worthy of happiness. Happiness flows to me effortlessly. I radiate joy wherever I go. Feel the power in these words. They are true for you. Allow these affirmations to become a part of your daily reality. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a few more deep breaths, inhaling peace and exhaling any remaining tension. Know that this sense of joy and happiness is always within you. Whenever you need it, you can return to this space. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself and for taking the time to nurture your happiness. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I hope you feel lighter, more joyful, and at peace. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more guided meditations like this one. Wishing you happiness and joy in your day ahead.